To help students and guests see our daily offerings, we have created the webpage Dining Services Online Menus that provides current menus and nutritional information for everything we're serving on campus, as well as an embedded search engine for allergens and ingredients. If you have food allergies, are a vegan or vegetarian, or just want to find a student favorite like chicken parm, our online menu is a fast, easy way to find out what our staff is preparing. Here's how it works. Go to Dining Services homepage, dining.vt.edu, and click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner and select Daily Menus. Virginia Tech serves some of the best college food in the country, and each day offers a huge variety of options from 46 venues at 10 dining centers and 2 food trucks. We've created this webpage so our guests can find current menus, locations, and hours of operation for all our campus dining centers. To get started, just click on a specific dining center and choose a venue for up-to-date meal options. For example, to see the lunch menu in Owens Hall, click on Food Court Hokie Grill at Owens Hall, then pick a mealtime like lunch or dinner, and choose a venue like Juan. You can also enter a dish, for example quesadilla, into the search engine labeled Find Your Favorite Food, and the results will tell you when and where it's available. If you're interested in more detail about any of the results, click again on any of the displayed menu items for the nutritional facts, like calories, grams of carbohydrates, protein, and fats. You will also see a complete list of ingredients. For a customized report, enter the portions of several menu items and click the button Show Report. It will calculate the complete nutrition facts for your entire meal. The results are also labeled to help anyone with a food allergy or vegans and vegetarians. Vegetarian entrees are marked with 1 asterisk, and vegan items appear with 2 asterisks. Dishes containing any of the 8 most common allergens are also displayed with those ingredients highlighted. Students with food allergies can also use the page's search filters for an easy way to find meals without specific allergens or individual ingredients at any of the dining centers on campus. After selecting a dining center, a button for Allergen Ingredient Filter will appear on the right-hand side of the page. The pop-up menu that appears allows you to utilize the Allergen Ingredient Filter by selecting the circle for Contains to view items containing certain allergens, or Does not contain to view items without a specific allergen or allergens. The allergen filters on the left side of the pop-up menu allows you to select from the 8 most common allergens: milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soybeans, as well as gluten. The pop-up menu's ingredient filter also allows guests to search for ingredients outside of the most common allergens in 3 search windows for more individualized results. For more than one ingredient, click on Or above the search window, or click And to find meals with a specific combination of all those ingredients. All of these features are also available on the Hokie Dining app. Dining Services Online Menu is a great tool to help our students get the most out of what we believe is an outstanding dining experience. For the latest specials and events, follow Dining Services on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Snapchat.